He's like, hey, overboard.
Yeah, he overdoes it sometimes.
Like, people else do on that too. It's like, that's so stupid. But, like, it's
funny.
You know that's who you right. That part where he's like,
but that's his character. That's
like when he just starts laughing, like, you know how he'll just, like, he's not trying to laugh. I can't explain it. It just cracks me up.
Carol?
Yeah, super.
Yeah.
Will Ferrell was doing that. Invisible Jet one thing.
The what thing?
Invisible Jet.
Yeah. Oh.
What the heck's the wife's name? Pam.
So with these Red Bull drinks, you can be dog and chef.
Doesn't or napkins?
Jeez, Jeff.
Come on, man. And you gotta snort the sauce. How hot are they, Jeff?
Are you praying?
He's doing pretty good. Actually. That's just coming around the eye. I only got 3 more.
Why do you guys do this? I don't get it.
It's more enjoyable.
Have you ever lost?
And this was almost you, right?
Almost. I pretty sad.
I think I'm not you right now.
Hey, you have this.
Yeah.
Oh.
There's only
Can we have like a Barbara Streisand movie?
was that 13 in there?
What's bad is I actually get emotional for movies. I was had the ring today working.
Well, that's when he does the 5 o'clock in the morning.
And I was watching the top 10 saddest moments in movies. I almost started crying during one of the Notebook things. Somebody watched it.
Good.
Yeah.
We were watching this the other night. The first time I ever seen it, because I used to people would say something. I mean, no, come on, what the heck?
It's sad.
Isn't that one of your favorite movies?
It's sad.
Yeah,
That's a good movie.
We looked at each other and I lost it.
Yeah.
I went to go see it in the movie theater. I'm like, I'm not gonna watch that movie.
And then, like, I think I bought it,
Yeah.
and I got him to watch it, and
I'm balling now.
Were you crying?
I kind of got pissed at it.
Why did you?
What?
Yeah, kitchen.
She wanted to go for that guy. Yeah, she was supposed to go for the other guy.
His face. I'm gonna knock you out after this show.
Have you seen
You gotta make it as bad as possible so next year you actually try.
I did try this year.
No.
I did.
I paid $200 and something bucks.
The dog that lost his owner and he's not going back.
Yeah, I got a chance. I have that one at home on this. Yeah, I wouldn't.
Oh my God, that's
You didn't see that movie?
No. No.
I heard that's really bad. As far as emotionalness.
Yeah, it is. It's sad.
Which one was it?
Hitachi with Richard Gere.
No.
A couple of years old.
No. I haven't seen that one.
The dog, the owner dies. The Richard Gere dies.
Whoa. Some of us haven't seen it yet.
That's the whole plot of the movie.
Yeah.
No, I didn't see that one.
And the dog keeps coming back and.
Waiting for him to come back.
No, son.
Are you a dog person? You're a cat? Are you a cat?
no animals.
Dog.
No lie.
No wonder what?
You're a fish.
No wonder what. Yes, thank you, Renee. Not one of those fish died.
Where?
In a tank upstairs. We had to buy a
How
tank.
many times did you replace them?
10 times.
I swear to God, not one
Years
time.
ago was that too?
No.
2 years. 2 years.
Yeah,
Why,
that's
yours
stay
too
alive.
black?
No, yours is
They did too black, and that's why I had to go buy a big 5-gallon tank.
Yeah.
Ours died.
First time.
Well, I guess we know how
Where
to
did
take
it
care
die
of fish
from?
who doesn't.
I think he had too many. How many fish did we have? 1 or 2? I think we had 2, didn't we?
We had 2 fishes.
I
We
think
won
the tank
2.
was too small.
And the tank is too small for the fish.
Well, we got it right, and then
Well, you have to look up.
I
Oh, what?